Hey friends, it's Jen and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am very excited to share with you guys Olaplex's brand new product, the No.0 Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment Take Home product. Now this is very exciting. This is something that people can take home and it's inspired by a professional treatment that you normally get done in the salon. So if you'd like to see what's inside and check out my thoughts on this product, stay tuned. So like I said, this is a professional inspired product. Now what that means is this is going to be a take-home product that will emulate the same treatment that you can get done in the salon. Now this is something I do with my clients all the time, but what I'm using is the Olaplex No.1 and the Olaplex No.2. Now these products are only available to professionals or those that have a license, and this is something that I will do in the salon to help repair my client's hair, restructurize, and smooth. So the fact that you can now have the same treatment at home with the No.0 is very exciting. So this treatment is going to actually give you 68% repair and 3 times stronger hair after just one use. So in one bottle, you can get anywhere between 3 to 6 treatments. It is recommended to do about 2 treatments a week for damaged hair, and you could maintain with about 1 treatment a week after that. So let's go ahead and get right into it, and I'll show you guys how I use this. Before we get into the demonstration of how the product actually is used, I wanted to go ahead and quickly explain to you guys exactly how the product works to strengthen the hair. So in order to help me out with that, I wanted to bring along my little sample of polypeptide chains. Now, every strand of hair is consisting of a network of polypeptide chains through the cortex layer. This is what creates the strength and the structure of the hair. Now, every individual chain is actually bonded together with all different types of bonds. There's salt bonds, hydrogen bonds, but today we're gonna be focusing on disulfide bonds. Now, all of these bonds hold these polypeptide chains together in a twisted helix formation, and that's what creates the structure and strength of the hair. Now, with chemical services, heat damage, mechanical damage, it can break apart the disulfide bonds, which causes these polypeptide chains to fall apart. This is what creates split ends, breakage, and that kind of stuff. So what Olaplex is going to do is it's going to penetrate the hair and it's going to reform synthetic bonds to glue everything all back together and create that strength and structure within that hair from the inside out. Start out by putting a towel around your neck to protect your clothes. I definitely recommend using a clip to section out your hair to make sure you are working in smaller sections while you're putting the No.0 on. The No.0 comes out in a really nice small stream, so it actually makes it less messy, but just take small sections at a time to make sure that you're absorbing everything really neatly. I'm going to take the next section down and I'm going to work in small sections again, making sure that everything is saturated. Makes it easier for me to grab small sections around my face and then work my way back to make sure everything is applied evenly. After this is all done, I am going to comb it all through and let it sit for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, I'm going to take the No.3 product and slather it all over my hair right on top of the No.0. The trick to this product is to make sure it stays moist during the entire treatment process, so really go heavy with this. You want to make sure that everything is saturated really well with the No.3 treatment cream. I'm going to once again comb through and let it sit for another 10 minutes. All right, so after the treatment was done processing, I jumped in the shower and shampooed with Olaplex No.4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and then conditioned with Olaplex No.5. So after I get out of the shower, I went ahead and also added Olaplex number 6 to my hair, and this is the Bond Smoother Cream. Now this product is awesome because it's actually going to protect your hair from the heat, and it actually works as a really great air dry cream as well. So those days that I don't feel like heat styling my hair and I don't want to turn on the blow dryer, I can put a little dollop of this in my hair and it's going to smooth it down and help to air dry without as much frizz. And last but not least, within the Olaplex product line is my favorite product is Olaplex number 7 Bonding Oil. Now, this oil is awesome because it actually has UV protection and additional heat protection up to 450 degrees. I always like to finish off all of my blow dries with this, and I haven't put it in my hair yet because I wanted to show you guys how I like to do it, but there is a little trick to this bottle. So when you unscrew the lid, you actually want to invert the bottle and tap it to get a few drops out. And I'm going to warm up the product in my hands and run it through my ends as just kind of the finishing touch of this whole treatment. Now, I've been doing this treatment for a little while now, and I love Olaplex. I love the product. I've noticed a huge difference when it comes to strength of my hair. I haven't had my hair this long in a really long time, especially for how much I process it. And this whole summer, I've been heat styling a ton. I have been swimming in the pool. It's just, I haven't been very nice to it. So it definitely needed some deep repair, and the number 0 comes in perfectly for that. Now, I do have a few tricks for you guys if you're gonna be doing this number 0 at home. And the first thing is make sure you put a towel around your neck like I did when I did my treatment, because the number 0 is actually pretty liquidy. So it is gonna be pretty drippy and it can get everywhere. So you wanna make sure you're working in small sections, and you wanna just get the hair damp. You don't have to have it dripping wet. So that's definitely trick number 1. And then the other trick I have is within the number 0 box, you're gonna get only a 1 ounce size of the number 3, which is just about 1 treatment. So if you know that you're going to be doing this often, 1 bottle has anywhere between 3 to 6 treatments, depending on how thick and dense your hair is. So I highly recommend grabbing an additional bottle of number 3 so that you have enough treatment to do this often. One of my favorite products that's out right now, it is a limited edition, so I would highly recommend grabbing it soon, is the bonus size of the number 3. This is the one I use at home. This is the one I recommend to all my clients, especially if they have thick, long hair, because this one, you can run out pretty quick. And so this is actually gonna be a better bang for your buck. So I highly recommend grabbing the bonus size number 3 with your number 0. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys taking the time and learning a little bit more about Olaplex number 0. And let me know what you guys think down below. I would love to hear in the comments if you guys are gonna try this product, if you're intrigued, or if you've tried it already. I would love to hear what you guys think. Please make sure to give my video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.